Hello friends, here we are unboxing the latest version of HP laptop 15s-fr2006TU model. It has i3 512GB SSD, 8GB RAM and Windows 10, 15.6-inch screen. That is the specification of this laptop. We are going to unbox this laptop. This is like a silver color laptop, and the packing of this laptop is very good. It's very nice, and in this box we get an adapter with this and one okay. Now we are going to open or unbox this laptop.
Answer box എടുക്കണം ഇനി അതിൽ ബഗ്ഗൂടെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് തലയിലാക്കാം.
Here we can see the exact laptop here, and wow, it's really nice.
ജനറേഷൻ
It's a 11th generation i3 processor laptop. Now we are going to connect with charger and set up basic in this laptop. First we have to connect charger with it. And here we can see two USB port, and here we are connecting the charger, and then here we can see one HDMI port and one C-type USB, and here we can connect the headphones here, and this is an SD card port, and now we are connecting with the charger power. And finally we are going to open this laptop. Now I was on the power. The processor of this laptop is very fast. We can see here.
Bye there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
മറ്റേ 150 വരും.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to India. Is that right?
We can select yes. Okay.
Your keyboard is set to English, India. Want to stick with that?
Yes. We can select here a language for keyboard, and I was selecting English India and accepting that.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
It asking for that a second keyboard layout, and no, we don't have that. We don't want that. Therefore, I was skipping.
Now let's get you connected to a network on the list. Want to use that one?
We have to select the. I don't have internet because we has to.
Just so you know, connecting to a network now could save you some time later. If you want to get that out of the way, choose yes.
We has to continue with the limited setup. Okay. $450 gala.
In short, you'll need to select accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows. Type what you want to name your account. Okay. These are the settings. Hey, look. Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such. Almost.
The secretary Mandishwar block
ಇದು 3 GHz ಉಂಟು. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, 2 ಸಲ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಾ? ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕೆ?
ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಬಂತ ನನಗೆ
ಏನು ಮೂವತ್ತೇಳ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಸುಧೀರಣ್ಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 35,000 ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಯಾವ ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ 5 ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5 ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ